This is one key control. Off, on. This is main door and this is steps door opening system. Okay, so I am pressing this main door input. So the beep sound is coming. Now door is open condition, so we can go. Now door is locked. See, this is another key control. See, so now the AMI LED is on. Now I am pressing this button. Lock will open. See the demo. Now door is locked. Door is locked. So another key terminal is there. See the same panel. It has also two buttons, on and off, main door and steps door. So I am pressing this. Now door is open. Door is open. After 15 seconds, door automatically closed. Now it's closed.